was a headline in a story from a reputable Canadian website that asked a rather startling question: will COVID-19 kill Christmas? The story went on to describing the various ways in which the upcoming holiday season could be impacted by the deadly pandemic. No family gatherings, no traveling, fewer presents, no Christmas tree, no going around Santa Claus, no parties, the list goes on. Granted, all these enjoyable experiences do add to the seasonal joy of Christmas. However, it kept me thinking, is Christmas only about stars and trees and the momentary happiness associated? Well, to go with the words of Edna Ferber, Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling. Here we are, despite the crumbling terror of a fluctuating global pandemic, feeling nothing but hope, joy and love when the slightest thoughts of Christmas comes to our mind. It's not merely the birth of Jesus Christ that Christmas celebrates and resonates. Moreover, the priceless lessons of love, tolerance, brotherhood, and much more importantly, humanity that the course of his life taught us. We know that Christmas is fundamentally a Christian delight, yet 2 billion people of around 160 countries around the world celebrate this special day in line with their own culture and diversity. Even though Indian population constitutes just around 31.9 million Christians, our country India that cherishes unity in diversity do blend into the spirit of Christmas, making it its own. This extensive admiration for Christmas around the planet reflects the fact that we as human beings do have the bond and brotherhood to come together and relish the moment beyond humanly constructed boundaries of caste, race and religion. Today, I have come here with 3 relevant and special Christmas messages for all of you. Something that holds pertinence in this era of self-oriented progressiveness. The night when Jesus Christ was born, the 3 kings, Caspar, Melchior and Balthasar, were guided to baby Jesus by a beautiful bright star. Let us together make a decision on this Christmas that each one of us will become a star like that, which will lead our fellow human beings to Jesus, to God, goodwill and light. Secondly, the royal birth of King of Kings, the Son of God predicted hundreds of decades back by prophets including Jeremiah and Isaiah, did not happen in a palace adorned with grandeur or in a place filled with riches. Whereas, as the Gospel of Luke clearly states, Mary gave birth to Jesus and placed him in a manger. Christmas is trying to teach us a very valuable lesson here. Let us all be humble, modest humans. As Thomas Merton rightly stated, pride makes us artificial, humility makes us real. And finally, no matter how rich and high our dreams are, ultimately the one thing every human crave for is peace and happiness. Well, Christmas do have a message that would help us find peace forever. After the birth of baby Jesus, the angels in the heaven sang, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to people of good will." Peace to people of good will. Let's be compassionate, benevolent and good, no matter what. Peace will stay forever. So these were 3 messages I try to observe and learn from Christmas. But beyond the momentary joys of songs and stars and gifts, there are many more lessons that Christmas teaches us in every small aspect of it. So why don't you all make it a mission in this Christmas to discover more and more hidden messages and lessons this festival has for us? Let me conclude this talk with a beautiful quote by British stand-up comedian Bob Hope. "My idea of Christmas, whether old-fashioned or modern, is simple: loving others." Come to think of it, why do we have to wait for Christmas to do that? Thank you so much and Merry Christmas to all of you. Also, as Bob Hope said, let's make every single day a Christmas day.